Alright, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I got a little problem with my power converter. Got a squeal coming from it. I can't really figure out what it is, so I've ordered a new WFCO 8730 to replace this one. It's coming in my pop-up. I got it, and it's a 94, I believe it is. So I'm going to go ahead and just replace it. So what I've got is, when I turn this breaker on, I'm getting a lot of squealing. I've checked the wiring. I've checked all my DC outlets. I've only got 2 outlets that work in the back for the DC. So I believe some damage has been done to the converter. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. I've got it ordered off of eBay. Should be here by the end of the week. And I'm gonna do a video on that. I'm gonna do the install on that WFCO 8735, I believe it is. This Powerlex power supply 6730. So if you listen, oh, it sounds like some kind of diode or something. I'm not sure. So the only thing I'm not sure about is the wiring on this one, because it's got the breakers are already mounted into this converter. The converters that I've seen that was, you know, like a buy offline, you had to install the breakers yourself. You know, you buy like a Murray or a Square D breaker, you know, and your black wire here is what you put into your breaker, and then your white wire runs to your distribution block. So we're gonna troubleshoot that whenever we get the new converter in, and see what we got, and we'll go from there. What I'm wanting to do is I've got some a plug I want to put in, and then up here I'm going to take my a propane detector, which I don't have a stove in here. I've took the stove out, and I do not have a refrigerator. Took it out. I put my porta-john where the refrigerator used to be, so my kids don't have to go to the bathhouse at nighttime, because my camper does not have a toilet. It's a disaster right now. We're fixing to go camping in a couple of weeks. We've got everything in the camper, so trying to get everything set up, and I wanted to get this fixed before we went, because I cannot deal with the squealing all night long. And so I'm going to install the cigarette lighter so we can plug in some phone chargers. I'm going to have a UBS port with a voltmeter and an on and off switch mounted here, and I've got wires that's already run there. The wires is already run here. They're already in the back there. So I'm just waiting on my converter to come in. I was going to shoot this video out. I hadn't put a video out in quite a while, so I was doing a little short video on a Sunday evening. It's nice and pretty, sunny down here in South Carolina. Got the American flag flying, and we'll get back with you in about a week, this weekend. When we put all this stuff back together, we'll show you the install on the new converter. Be getting with you then. You'll have a good weekend.